Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make green papaya pomegranate salad. It's rich in potassium, antioxidants, low in calories and very nutritious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need a cup of grated raw papaya. First, let's peel the skin off. With the help of a grater, let's grate the papaya. Papaya has a lot of health benefits. It's good for digestion and it's a great tenderizer. Let's prepare the dressing for the salad. For that, in a large bowl, add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic, one tablespoon of finely sliced shallot, 1 teaspoon of palm sugar. You can add honey as well, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, give all of this a good mix. Add a cup of grated raw papaya, half a cup of pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate is good for your skin and hair and also enhances immunity. Add half cup of fresh coriander leaves. Toss to coat the vegetables well with the dressing. Serve it as soon as you prepare it. Grated papaya tends to get soggy if you let it sit. If you are not planning on eating it right away, prepare ahead of time and keep the papaya separate from the dressing in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve it. Finally, add half cup of fried peanuts for that crunchy texture. I hope you enjoy it. With this combination of papaya, pomegranates and peanuts, the salad tastes wonderful and crunchy. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.